Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is Chef and More, and we are getting ready to make a one-pot spaghetti. Yes, guys, that's right. Everything's going in one pot. It's going to cook together. It's going to finish together. Let's get busy. Okay, guys, let's go over our ingredients real quick. Yes, we have a lot of them out here today. I'm going to be using some grass-fed ground beef. You guys can use any kind of ground beef. 80-20 is always good. I have some organic beef broth. And guys, you guys read the title. This is going to be spaghetti with vodka sauce, vodka meat sauce. And I am using an organic vodka meat sauce. Got this at Trader Joe's, guys. If you don't have a Trader Joe's in your community, you can always order it. This is my tomato paste, spaghetti, and I have some fresh basil, guys. This is fresh basil right out of my garden. Be sure to check out my other channel, guys, which is Container Crops. I'm over there growing up all kind of things. It's easy to walk out and grab a few herbs for your dish. So this is fresh basil straight from my garden. I have some cloves of garlic. We have some thyme. I have some oregano, green peppers, onions, and yes, I have some fresh cut garlic here, but I also have some minced garlic here. And then we have some grated Parmesan that we're going to be garnishing it with, along with some of this fresh basil. All right, guys, let's get busy. Okay, guys, as you start to brown your ground beef, you just want to break it up. Take your spoon, your spatula, whatever you're using, and break it up. Just like that, guys. Real easy, real simple. Just break it up so that it'll be in very small pieces and incorporate well with your sauce. Okay, we're going to get this brown halfway through, then we'll add our garlic, and we'll be back at that time. Okay, now that we're almost browned here, we're going to go in with our minced garlic. Get all that out of there, as well as our regular garlic and our green peppers. We're going to stir this up and let the ground beef continue to cook. Okay, guys, now it's time for us to go in with pretty much everything else. Putting in the oregano, the thyme, the onions. Get them all out of there. Okay, guys, I'm going to be putting in about 2 tablespoons of this tomato paste. Okay, guys, we're going to go in with our vodka sauce. I'm not going to use all of this because I am not making a very, very large amount, but I'm going to use most of it. Okay, if you find you need more of something, guys, with this dish, you can always go back in. Okay, and we're putting in our beef broth. All right, let's get this all stirred up and combined. We're going to bring this to a boil. Then we'll reduce it and get ready to put our pasta in. Doesn't that look amazing? Okay, and while this is coming up to a boil, I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon of sugar, just plain white sugar. I'm going to go in with some garlic powder. Yes, lots of garlic, guys, lots of garlic. And onion powder. As most of you all know, those are my 2 go-to seasonings. So you just want to combine that, get that stirred in, and let it go ahead and come up to a boil. Oh my goodness, it smells good. And guys, it's going to taste amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, guys, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are up to a boil, so now I'm going to go in with just a little bit of Himalayan salt to make sure all these flavors come together. Just a little bit. I always want to add a little bit of salt just to make sure that the flavors blend together really good. It enhances flavor. Black pepper adds flavor, guys, and salt enhances flavor. So now we're getting ready to go in with our spaghetti. And guys, what you want to do with your spaghetti, you want to take your spaghetti and break it in half. Although this pot is big enough to hold all of it, I like to break it in half. And just sprinkle it all over. We're going to submerge that down, reduce our pot to simmer. You want to crisscross them so to make sure that they're all separated. So don't just dump them all in one spot, guys. And a couple more handfuls. Okay, now we're just going to submerge these down into the liquid, guys. Just make sure they're down in the liquid. You don't want to stir just yet at this point. All right, we're going to reduce this to simmer. And we're going to stir it every 5 minutes for about 20 minutes. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, this is now down to a simmer. So we're going to cover it and we'll just stir it every 5 minutes or so. And we'll be right back. Okay, let's go in and stir, guys. Oh my goodness, this is looking good. And it smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell this. Yes. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. The noodles are getting tender. I can't wait, guys. I cannot wait. Oh my goodness. This is going to be absolutely amazing. Okay, let's let it continue to simmer. Okay, guys, we are going to get this all plated up. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It is looking and smelling amazing. Yes, I've got some fresh basil here to put on there. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Yes, doesn't this look amazing, guys? Yes, 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 yes. Oh my goodness. We're going to sprinkle a little Parmesan on top. And a little fresh basil, guys. A little fresh basil. Yes. Awesome and amazing. Okay, guys, we're getting ready to do our taste test. Yes. Okay, guys, and before we do our taste test, I just want to say thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I also want to make a little quick announcement. I have just launched my website, www.cookingwithchefandmore.com. I'm going to be doing some amazing things over there, guys. So get on over there. I'll have my cookbook for sale. I will have my special seasoning blend for sale, and I will be having cooking classes. Those are things that are coming up soon, but they will be there in the making. So get on over there, guys. Okay, thank you all so much. And as you noticed, I used fresh basil in my dish today. So guys, if you are not subscribed to Container Crops, that is my second channel, please do so. I would appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to Chef and More, please do so. Guys, let's get in here and taste this, okay? This is one pot spaghetti, guys. Oh my goodness, a time saver. Oh my, let's get in here, guys. mm, 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 mm. Guys, this is amazing, amazing, amazing. Mm, mm, mm. Oh my goodness. I need to go in for more. Mm. 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 There is nothing like fresh basil, guys. The taste. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you've gotten anything out of this video. And if you want to learn how to do made from scratch meals and dishes, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on that bell, guys. Tap the bell so that you'll know each and every time I upload a new video. Guys, join me on my premieres and leave me some comments. Join the channel, guys, and don't forget to check out cookingwithchefandmore.com. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I will see you next time, the good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.